Hello everyone, my name is Sanju Paswan. I am from Kushinagar. I have just completed Diploma in Computer Science and Engineering from Government Girls Polytechnic, Gorakhpur. After this, I am joined Techsima Solution Private Limited, Ayodhya for internship training. During my training, I am learned many languages like as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, C, MySQL, PHP, Laravel, Git and GitHub and many more. During my training, I am placed an Sprinx company which is an IT company. I am very thankful to all the teachers and mentor of Techsima. And I am highly suggest to my junior to join the Techsima Solution Private Limited because here environment is too good for learning skills. Thank you.